turning 40 next year, actually in a couple months. And I honestly feel like my skin is in the best place it's ever been. I don't say that just to give you hope. I actually believe that the more you age, the more you understand your skin. Because you've tried so many products over the years, you're starting to understand what your skin truly likes. I actually feel like my 40s is gonna be the decade where my skin really thrives. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Wei. Being a beauty influencer, I'm incredibly lucky to be able to try so many products on the market. And throughout that, I've actually learned what my skin loves and what it doesn't need. And I've realized your skin doesn't actually need a lot. And for me, a simple, minimal, and effective routine is when my skin feels its best. It's just like sleep, exercise, and eating well. It's not rock science, but you have to figure out what is best for you. So today, we're talking about my very simple 3 steps routine with L'Oréal Paris Revitalift. And let's go step by step. This Revitalift 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid serum is the very first step of my routine after cleansing my face. And honestly, this is the one product I would never skip. And hyaluronic acid is really the foundation of skin hydration. It's one of the most effective ingredients for dry or dehydrated skin. What I love about this formula from L'Oréal Paris is that it uses both low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. That means it penetrates deeply to lock in long-term moisture while also plumping the surface for the instant fresh glow. For someone like me who travels a lot, cabin air, jet lag can really dehydrate my skin like crazy, and this formula helps keep my skin bouncy, calm, and balanced, even after long flights. And this texture is so beautiful, it feels like your skin is actually drinking water. I love how it sinks in immediately. There is no stickiness and no heaviness, just that light, hydrated feeling. It's so weightless that you actually don't feel like you're layering so much product. And beyond hydration, hyaluronic acid also helps improve your skin's elasticity and strengthens your barrier over time, so your skin not only look better, but actually functions better. I can't really talk about the hyaluronic acid serum without mentioning this one. The Revitalift 1.5 hyaluronic acid plus 1% caffeine eye serum. Such a wonderful combo. You get all the hydration, plumping benefits from hyaluronic acid, but the caffeine really takes it to the next level. I have hooded eyes and they are puffy every morning. It helps depuff, brightening, and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. What I love most is how it makes my eyes look instantly more awake. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and allergy tested, so it's super gentle and safe to use right around your eyes. This unique applicator is honestly genius. The stainless steel balls stay cool, and the little roller actually flex as you move them across your skin, give you this gentle massage that helps the product absorb while also contouring, lifting, refreshing your eye area. It's become such an important part of my morning routine. I'll use it right after my serum, give my eyes a quick massage, immediately takes down any puffiness. It's that kind of quick, efficient step that just makes you feel like more put together in the morning. And one little tip, make sure you clean this applicator after each use to keep it hygienic. For nighttime, I usually like to switch to this Age Perfect Midnight Eye Opener Eye Cream to add a little more oomph around my eyes compared to the lightweight serum I use in the morning time. This guy right here feels rich and nourishing. Exactly what my skin needs to recover overnight. This has squalane, vitamin E, and a blend of antioxidants that help your skin around your eyes feel smoother, firmer, and more refreshed by morning. The texture, it's so creamy, it's so luxurious, but still light enough that it melts right in instead of just sitting on top of your skin. It leaves this very silky finish that feels very smooth, very hydrating. It's such a comforting little moment at the end of the day, just massaging it in, taking that 1 minute for yourself and waking up with eyes that look rested and bright, even on the nights when you didn't get enough sleep. It leaves this silky finish that feels smooth and hydrating. That kind of texture that makes you actually want to keep using it. To finish off my routine, I use the Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Moisturizer, the fragrance-free version. This guy is honestly my one and done product. It's like an all-in-one jar of magic that covers everything your skin needs for anti-aging. I love that I don't have to overthink the steps or layer too many things. This moisturizer actually blends together some of the most effective ingredients like Pro-Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C and niacinamide. The Pro-Retinol is stabilized and gentle enough for daily use. It helps with the cell turnover and smooth fine lines without irritation. The hyaluronic acid keeps my skin plump and hydrated. Vitamin C gives that little subtle glow and brightness, and the niacinamide helps even out your skin tone and strengthens the barrier. Together, it feels like such a balanced formula, powerful, but still gentle and non-irritating. And the fact that this one is fragrance-free, it's something I really appreciate, because fragrance in skincare can sometimes cause irritation. It can also lead to long-term sensitization, meaning that your skin becomes more reactive over time. It might trigger redness, inflammation, or even disrupt your barrier. Over time, that can also make your skin less tolerant to all the active ingredients like retinol or vitamin C. So as I've gotten older, I've become more intentional about choosing product that has no added scent. And this one just does everything it needs to do without anything unnecessary. It's such a dream product to wrap up my routine, the perfect final step to seal in everything, to keep my skin calm, hydrated, and glowing. So that's my very simple anti-aging skincare routine with L'Oréal Paris. I know everyone's skin is very different, but keeping things simple and consistent and intentional has made all the difference for me. I really hope that sharing my routine and my own experience helps you get a little closer to finding what works best for your skin too. And if you have any questions, or if you'd like to check out any of the products I mentioned today, you can head over to l'orealparisusa.com. I'll link everything below. And thank you again for watching and for being here. I'll see you in the next one.